Minar-e-Pakistan, also known as the Tower of Pakistan, was built with a purpose to commemorate the Lahore Resolution. Qaraardad-e-Pakistan was passed in an All India Muslim League session on March 23, 1940. It was held at Minto Park, now renamed as Iqbal Park. The nation celebrates this momentous occasion as Pakistan Day, and the government of Pakistan announces it as a public holiday every year. For any patriotic citizen of Pakistan, the history of Minar-e-Pakistan holds great importance. Significance of Minar-e-Pakistan. There is a historic moment behind this tall tower in Lahore. The Pakistan Resolution cemented the way for a separate state of the Muslims of India. So what events paved the way for Qaraardad-e-Pakistan? Up until the mid-1930s, the Muslim leaders were making efforts to safeguard the political interests of Muslims within India and wanted Muslim-majority provinces to have maximum autonomy. History of Minar-e-Pakistan. In the 1935 Government of India Act, it was decided to have communal representation through separate electorates. When elections were held under this act, Indian National Congress formed a government in 6 out of 8 provinces. During the rule of the Indian National Congress from 1937 to 1939, it was apparent that Muslims were sidelined and Congress leadership completely failed to represent Muslims. Lahore Resolution. By 1939, the thought of a separate nation was gaining popularity among Muslim leaders. The All India Muslim League held a session from 22nd to 24th March 1940 at Minto Park. The Pakistan Resolution was moved by A.K. Fazlul Haq, who was the Chief Minister of Bengal. It was seconded by Sardar Aurangzeb Khan from NWFP, Zafar Ali Khan from Punjab, Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman from United Provinces, Qazi Muhammad Isa from Balochistan, and Sir Abdullah Haroon from Sindh. March 23, 1940 is marked as a day when Muslims demanded a separate homeland. It reiterated Allama Iqbal's presidential address held at Allahabad in 1930, where he shared his vision of a separate homeland for the Muslims of India. The Lahore Resolution categorically demanded Muslim-majority areas of northeastern and northwestern zones of India be grouped as an independent state. The Lahore Resolution gave new hope to the Muslim community in India. The struggle to have a sovereign state gained momentum, and after 7 years, Pakistan came into existence on August 14, 1947. To honor the place where the Lahore Resolution was passed, a tower was constructed in Greater Iqbal Park, laying its foundation stone on March 23, 1960. It took 8 years to construct a tower, and in 1968, this historical building in Lahore was built. The Minar-e-Pakistan is not only an important landmark in Pakistan, but it also symbolizes Islamic and Mughal architecture with a touch of contemporary design. The architect of Minar-e-Pakistan was Nasiruddin Murad Khan Naili. The base of the minaret is 8 meters high from